Get noticed in this 2004 Audi A6. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.